In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate age by birth date in Excel. Understanding how to calculate someone's age based on their birth date using Excel can be a useful skill, whether you're handling databases, organizing events, or managing records that require age verification. Microsoft Excel offers a straightforward way to perform this calculation using a specific formula. Let's start by accessing Microsoft Excel online. To do this, you'll first need to navigate to free Microsoft 365 Online, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. This suite allows you to access Excel without needing to install anything on your computer, making it convenient and accessible from anywhere. Once you've arrived at the site, the next step is to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Clicking on the Sign In button will prompt you to enter your email address. Type it into the provided field, then click Next. Following this, you'll be asked to enter your password. Completing these steps will grant you access to Microsoft 365 Online and by extension Excel. For the purposes of our tutorial, we'll be using an existing Excel sheet. This means you can follow along using a document you're currently working on, or you can simply open a new document to practice. To open your Excel document, you might navigate through your files, or directly click on Excel from the Microsoft 365 dashboard. Now let's dive into calculating age. In an empty cell within your Excel document, you're going to type in a specific formula, datadiff, E3, today, Y, and then press enter. Before we continue, let's break down what this formula means and how it functions. The datadiff function is essentially a date difference function that calculates the difference between two dates. The first part of the formula, E3, refers to the cell where the birth date you're calculating the age from is located. It's important to note that your birth date might be in a different cell, so ensure you adjust the cell reference, E3, to match where your date is located. The second part of the formula, today, is a function that returns the current date. This means Excel will automatically fetch today's date each time the formula is calculated, ensuring the age calculation is always up to date. The last part of the formula, Y, specifies the unit of time you want the difference in. In this case, Y stands for years, which is exactly what we're looking for when calculating someone's age. After you enter this formula and press enter, Excel will automatically calculate the age based on the birth date in the specified cell, using today's date as a reference. The result will appear in the cell where you type the formula. A couple of additional tips to ensure accuracy and efficiency in your calculations. Always double check the format of the dates you're working with. Excel uses specific date formats, and if the birth date is not correctly formatted, it may result in errors or incorrect age calculations. Also, remember that this formula calculates complete years, so it won't show decimals or months. Knowing how to calculate age in Excel can save you time and make your data management tasks much simpler. Whether you're organizing a list of participants for an event, managing a client database, or just keeping track of birthdays, this handy formula will make your work a lot easier. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to calculate age in Excel. With this knowledge, you can enhance your Excel skills and improve your data management capabilities. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to become even more proficient in Microsoft Excel and other applications.